Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to learn how to solve proportions. So remember what is a proportion? It's going to be an equality of ratios. Remember that in a ratio, the expression in the denominator are going to be different from zero. So what are we going to do here? We're going to cross multiply. So if this happens to be true, then this guy here multiplied by this guy, in other terms, A times D is going to be equal to the product, to this product. This is going to be B times C. So every time that we find something like this, our first stop is going to be to cross multiply. Let's see some examples. So clearly, here we have a proportion. So what are we going to do? We're going to cross multiply. So m times 40, which is the same as 40m, is going to be equal to this guy times this guy, which is going to be a times 25. And then we just continue solving for the variable that in this case is going to be m. So it's multiplied by 40, so I'm going to divide by 40. And then this cancels out. This is going to be 40 divided by 40 is 1. So I can cancel these guys out and just simplify here. So I see that for example, a and 40, I can simplify dividing by 8. So a divided by 8 is 1. 40 divided by 8 is 5. And I can continue simplify because 25 divided by 5 is 5. Okay, so I'm left here with m equal to 5, and we have the solution for this proportion. Here we have another example of a proportion. So what do? Exactly, we're going to cross multiply. So p plus 4 times a, which is the same as a times p plus 4, must be equal to these two guys multiplied. So this is going to be equal to 5 times 3. And just continue simplify. Remember that when you have a parenthesis, you distribute. We're going to use the distributive property. So I'm going to multiply the a to each term inside the parenthesis. So a times p is going to be ap plus a times 4, which is going to be 32. And just simplify a little bit here. So 5 times 3, which is going to be 15. And continue solving for p. So it's added 32. So I'm going to subtract 32, so it's going to be 15 minus 32, which is going to be negative 17. And last but not least, I need to solve for p, so it's multiplied by a, we divide by a. And now we have the solution for this proportion. P is going to be equal to negative 17 over 8, and the rate.